Italian shipbuilder Fincantieri has secured a new contract for the construction of 2 PPA-Multipurpose Combat Ships for the Italian Navy, reinforcing its role in the country's naval fleet renewal program. The vessels will replace 2 ships originally intended for Indonesia, with the contract valued at approximately €700 million, including work already completed on the previous units. The order falls under the latest Naval Act, and is managed by a CAR, Organization Conjoint de Cooperación en Materia d'Armament, within the temporary business grouping formed by Fincantieri as lead contractor and Leonardo as partner. Delivery of the ships, in the Light Plus configuration, is scheduled for 2029 and 2030 from Fincantieri's integrated shipyard in Riva Trigoso and Muggiano. This contract confirms the strategic importance of the program, highlighting our group's ability to respond swiftly and effectively to the operational needs of the Italian Navy, said Pierroberto Folgaro, CEO and Managing Director of Fincantieri. He added, the new units bolster the national supply chain, ensuring production continuity and employment stability, while also strengthening Italy's role as a central player in the global defense geopolitical landscape, where shipbuilding is increasingly a key element of influence and international cooperation. The PPA-Multipurpose Combat Ship is designed for a wide range of tasks, from patrol duties and sea rescue operations to civil protection and frontline combat. Its modular design allows for upgrades over time, ranging from a basic, light version with self-defense capabilities to a fully equipped, full combat configuration. Each vessel is also capable of deploying high-speed boats such as 11 meters RHIBs, using either lateral cranes or a stern ramp. This flexibility underlines the ship's value in various operational scenarios, both military and civilian.